Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ AI Coach. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your vidIQ dashboard right here, and then in the left panel, you'll be able to see more tools. Just click on this drop down and then just find Coach or coaching. Okay, so you can just gotta click on it, click on let's go right here. I gotta click on whatever niche. Okay, so my niche is tutorials, how to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on next. Select the count of your subscribers, hit on next. I gotta click on set my goals. Now it'll ask you, what do you want most for your channel? Grow my views and subscribers. This channel right here is already monetized, so I'm gonna go ahead and select this option, click on next. Now, great. What else would a win look like for you on YouTube? Let's say developing a clear content strategy. Next, right here. Now go ahead and click on identify my challenges. What's got in the way of your channel growth? Your questions right here may be different. Okay. Maybe you have a lack of time, lack of clear goals. Next, describe your ideal coach. Always positive, supportive. Knows when to give tough love. Sense of humor. Whatever. Okay. Maybe this one. Goal-oriented, direct and no nonsense. Click on next and just give it a moment, okay? As instead of staring at complicated graphs in YouTube Studio, you can ask the AI coach right here to interpret your data and tell you exactly what is working. So you can go ahead and work with one of these coaches, and then click on work, get started, and then just pay for the boost, okay? Now, in the next page, you can just basically ask anything, okay? For example, what are my top 3 performing videos from the last 30 days, and why do you think they did well? Or based on my current audience, what is the best time for me to post a video? Just questions like that, all right? So that's just basically how to use vidIQ AI Coach. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.